The Scalar Heart Connection process is a complete healing tool which helps to identify the hidden core issues not just within our personal field, but in the systemic field as well. Theta Healing helps you to release those beliefs which are limiting or sabotaging. But then comes a time when a client refuses to show anything using muscle testing. Either they are working too much out of the mind, or there is a deep-seated fear which acts as a resistance to the healing. As a therapist, sometimes you don't know how to go about it. The good news is that with Scalar Heart Connection, you can help your client to look into their heart and tap into those emotions which are frozen since ages in the DNA. The heart is a place from where we all operate from, and therefore tapping into the energies of the heart is essential for healing. The Scalar Heart Connection process can surpass the conscious, logical mind, as well as the critical filter, and help the client reach the subconscious level with ease. Let us share with you a case study which help you understand how the Scalar Heart Connection process can be combined with Theta Healing. Peter, age 34, wanted to do a session about money. He always struggled for money. Even when he had a job, there were no savings whatsoever. There were always unforeseen expenses like medical or house repairs which couldn't be pushed forward. The practitioner began the session using muscle testing with Peter to determine the belief that money cannot be saved, or at best, it is just difficult to save. Peter tested negative for that statement, which should have tested positive, since it would have resonated with him, this belief. Then we took the session farther, but for each belief, he wasn't really testing positive. He was well hydrated, as that can also throw muscle testing off. Here is when the practitioner decided to do a Scalar Heart Connection session. The Scalar Heart Connection session began with writing the issue as it was stated above. I cannot save money, and it is always a struggle with money. The session showed that the root cause of the problem was related to the statement, I fear being nothing. And for this statement, Peter tested positive with the muscle testing. When he said out loud, I fear being nothing, there were tears in his eyes and he could feel the feeling in his heart. Theta Healing was done to replace the limiting belief and download the necessary feelings. After the session, he felt much lighter than ever and kept in touch for updates once a week about all the positive changes he had after the session. Theta Healing can help you resolve a lot of your clients' beliefs, which need careful and tactful digging. But when you combine it with Scalar Heart Connection, you can go to the root cause in no time, as well as provide a positive belief that will resonate with and from the heart, especially for you and your client. Thank you. Visit our social media channels and don't forget to subscribe down below.